Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen my previous paintings, I did some experiments on 3 little tiny canvases with a swipe. I wanted to do a negative space swipe on a white background because I did one with a black background. So today I'm going to do a swipe on a 20 by 20 centimeter canvas. I'm going to use my little plastic tool. And I'm going to layer my paints on here, and then I'm just going to swipe, and I'm going to swipe in this motion. So I added a little bit more paint on that area. Let's see if my camera wants to focus, please. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. And I was afraid that would happen. So let's swipe again. See if we can save it. Just putting the white on here. Let's see what we can do. That's a little better. I'm not happy with that side. Let's see if I can get the paint to move a little bit. It is going really slowly. Okay, let's see if I can move it back a little bit. Well, it was going for negative space. Okay, so I think this is the final product. I am pretty happy with it. I'm for sure going to revisit this technique, but let's see how these dry and I will show you the final result. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.